Again, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I'm reporting from Bahrain, and it's a great pleasure now that again we are meeting JNV get together all everyone in the Bahrain right now, and it's a evening. And thanks to all the JNB seniors who arranging get together of JNB, and you will enjoy the show. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.
बहुत खुशी हुई आप सबको देख के। इतने सारे नवोदयंस कह सकता हूँ, बहरीन में पहली बार शायद हम लोग इस लेवल पे आए, इकट्ठा हुए, और कुछ तो बचपन की यादें भी ताजा होंगी।
Daughter-in-law of MP.
We are like 2-3 states somehow story. So she's from UP.
Since 2009, currently I'm working in Al-Kindi Hospital as a dermatologist and cosmetologist. This is our, I think, third meeting. In first meeting, we were 5-6 people only.
You all, nice to see you all, Navodian. I'm really jealous about you people, frankly speaking. Whenever I talk to my better half, Dr. Aishri, she always give a story about the Navodian, how they are tough and everything, how they are flexible.
Dr. Fatina, orthopedic surgeon, working in the hospital. I've been here since 1.5 years. Surprisingly, I had a doubt that I may attend many nowadays all countries. So we have the office group and posted with JNVs in only JNV can understand. I got response from this doctor and one doctor is a pediatrician.
I think I'm the most youngest here, and I studied two JNBs. One is JNB Auraiya in Uttar Pradesh, and then I transferred to JNB Agra, and I passed out in 2012. And currently, I am working with the Saturn Hotel. It's just a third month here in Bahrain, and I meet again my JNB family. Thank you so much, and thank you, Mr. Deepak, for everything. And I think we can make a great opportunity to connect with each other, and as a family we can make too much difference in our group. Thank you so much. Jai Navodaya.
Be a part of the GNU family. My name is Prakash Singh. I am from center of India, heart of India, that is Madhya Pradesh and Jabalpur GNU. So this is my second alumni meet. In first meet, I think we are 10 or 8.
Malappuram, 98 pass out.
Wow.
I have been here for the last 15 years in Gulf, Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi. And I was there in Allahabad also. Allahabad now there for 1 year as a migration program.
Then in Nellore for the batch. Dr. Fatina is my classmate, my friend, and he was my roommate as well. I finished my graduation in chemical engineering, and I'm here from last almost 11 years, around 12 years.
My name is Pallavi Vishal Bagul. JNB batch 96, 97, and Bahrain 14 years.
Aqua Refinery as instrument engineer since 2012. I am from JNV Jamnagar, Aliabada. Because so many JNV, maybe you not remember, but in Gujarat we have first startup JNV was JNV Jamnagar. The name is small village, Aliabada. So JNV, you know guys, JNV we have common DNA. What is DNA? We are dynamic, knowledgeable and ambitious. Tell we are common JNV DNA. Now I am working since time पे हम बोलते थे वहाँ पानी नहीं था, वो सुविधा नहीं थी, रहने का नहीं था, तो बोला अभी मैं बोर हो गए, आप लोग सब ऐसे ही थे। मैं बोला ऐसा नहीं है, जब लाइफ ऐसी देखोगे तो समझ में आएगा कि लाइफ क्या है। इसलिए जो भी JNV से आया ना, उसको लाइफ के दो परिचय मिल गए होंगे, पुअर और रिच लाइफ। मैं गलत नहीं हो तो आप लोग हिंदी समझ सकते हैं ना? क्लियरली नो? थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू।
Myself Srishant, I studied in JNV Kannur, Kerala. So right now, recently I started a small startup. We provide service for the companies, the ERP services.
I'm from JNV Pathanamthitta, 2011 batch. I'm a chartered accountant by profession. I work as a finance manager of Almoid Computers Limited. Toothbrush. So, the toothbrush was Colgate brand. So there are only 3 colors, red, green and blue. And we all stay in dormitories in L shape, so double-decker bed. So every day morning, actually my friends had the same color brush, blue color brush. So every day morning we get up, find one brush and we will check whether it is wet. If it is wet, means it's used. Then we will not use that. We will
Rosh Radhakrishnan. I'm from JNV Calicut. I am batch of 2003, passed out, 10th batch. And I was here for the last 16 years in this Bahrain. And initially I was trying to find out an Navodaya through Orkut only. That time it was Orkut. And I was find out some of the persons and some of them are not here now. And they are left Bahrain.
After plus 2, I have done diploma in civil engineering. I'm here in Bahrain for last 24 years, working in Bahrain Precast Concrete as senior design coordinator.
I have been here since 2016. I'm basically a chartered accountant, working as a finance.
I'm from Navodaya Vidyalaya, Binia, Bhojpur, Bihar. I'm here in Bahrain from almost 18 years. I'm basically a food technologist, but now running a restaurant. It's a Purani Dil restaurant in Hura and in Adliya Sri Gopala restaurant. थालियों में हमारे सोना बनता था। सोना बनना समझते हैं? थालियाँ पूरी येलो हो जाती थी। इतना हम सफाई करते थे। कभी-कभी 2-4 महीने में सैंड रगड़ करके साफ करते थे। नहीं तो थाली ऐसे जाती थी और बस रख दिया। किसी का थाली लेकर भाग जाओ, ठीक है? कमाल ऐसे होते थे कि खाना खा रहे हैं, लंबी लाइन है, लोग क्या करते थे, दूसरे की जूठी थाली लेते थे और चले जाते थे। वो जा रहा है ना, थाली अब लेकर निकल रहा है मेस से, उसकी थाली पकड़ते थे और उसी में जाके खाना लेकर खा के चले जाते थे। क्योंकि अब फेस्ट लाइन लगानी पड़ेगी ना 50 लोगों के साथ, तो लाइन लगाते नहीं थे। उसकी थाली, जूठी थाली खाना फेंकते थे और लेकर चले जाते थे कि हम दोबारा लेने।
Actually, we thought we are only Navodayans in Bahrain. We didn't know so many other Navodayans are here. I'm so happy to see you all. Currently, I'm working for Oil Code. I don't know whether you are aware of Oil Code. Actually, I'm working for the King as his food safety officer.
In 2016, and here I am working as a teacher at Al-Noor International School. And I came here very recent. I joined here. I came Bahrain last September, and I'm a fresher in Bahrain. I'm very happy being here for such a short time. I was able to be a part of this school, and I'm much more happy because I was able to find my junior here. Just Nikhil, he's also here. He hasn't introduced himself. And also another senior from my own Navodaya, Mr. Hasib.
Yeah, office and resident.
तो एक बार हुआ ऐसा, मैं बचपन से ही मारा मारी में विश्वास करता था। मारा मारी में फाइटिंग। ओके, तो हमारा ग्रुप था, हम लोग माइग्रेट करके गए थे जामनगर से कटरा, खेड़ा जिला में, और उस टीम का लीडर था मैं। तो क्या हुआ कि जैसे ही आपको पता है कि कुछ लोग बच्चे वहां जाते हैं तो उसके साथ मैच नहीं होता कल्चर, तो हमेशा छोटी छोटी बातों में झगड़ा होता रहता है। एक बार झगड़ा ऐसा हुआ कि हम लोगों ने उसको पीटा। किसने पीटा पता है आपको? पता वो बेड के साथ 4 लोखंड के वो होते थे, ओके, तो वो निकाल के हमने उसके बच्चों को पीटा, और प्रिंसिपल ने उस टाइम पे लेटर लिखा इंग्लिश में मेरे पिताजी को। बराबर, गांव में किसी को इंग्लिश आती नहीं है, वाया वाया मेरे तक समाचार पहुंचा, वहां लेटर पहुंचा है। मैंने उससे पहले समाचार पहुंचाया, पिताजी इस बार पहला नंबर आया, इस बार पहला नंबर आया, कुछ लेके देना पड़ेगा। वो बोला बराबर बराबर। लेकिन लोचा तब हुआ, हमारे गांव का एक प्रोफेसर था, उसे इंग्लिश आता था। अभी वो लेटर लेके मेरे पिताजी वहां गए, लेकिन वो मेरी राह देख रहे थे। मैं गांव में गया, वो मेरे को लेटर लेके कि कितना नंबर आया वो सब पढ़वाने के लिए सबको दिखाते जाते थे, मेरा बेटा पहला नंबर आया। वहां मैं प्रोफेसर से जाके ऐसे पैर छुआ, पहला नंबर आया है, बता नमक। प्रोफेसर ने पूछा कि इसको रेस्टिकेट करने का टाइम आ गया है। लेकिन वो पहला नंबर, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे थोड़े सुधरने लगे, लेकिन बिल्कुल नहीं सुधरे। सुधरने का तो चांस कम है।